Have you ever heard someone say online, forget about credit? Cash is king, credit doesn't matter anymore. Well, let me tell you, that kind of thinking can cost you big time. In this video, we're going to break down why good credit is important and probably one of the most powerful tools that you can have in your tool belt, and the dangerous outside influences that are online that make people believe that credit is not important. First, let's talk about some of the important reasons why credit is important. Lower interest rates. With good credit, you don't just get approved, you get better terms. That means you're saving thousands of dollars over the lifetime of the loan. More opportunities. Credit isn't just about borrowing money. Employers, landlords, insurance companies can check your credit and literally affect where you live and the type of job that you have and the opportunities you have with that job, including if you thought about starting a business. Financial safety net. Emergencies happen. Having good credit gives you access to funds when you need them the most. There's a growing wave of influencers online, right here on YouTube, saying that credit is not necessary, that it's not important, that you can live on cash and avoid the system. Sounds empowering, right? But here's the truth. Cash only lifestyle myth. It only works for a small percentage of people with large amounts of money. But the average person without credit, they're stuck renting, paying higher rates, and missing opportunities. They'll say things like banks are evil. Yes, banks do profit from lending, but using credit smart means you get to take advantage of the banking system for lower interest rates, rewards, leveraging their money, which will enable you to make money using other people's money. You heard of OPM, other people's money. Just hustle, don't borrow. That sounds like great advice. You just work hard. But ignoring credit doesn't make the system go away. If anything, it makes it more expensive for you to manage your finances through this credit society. Here's a reality check. Two people walk into a dealership. One has good credit, the other one has bad credit. They both buy the same car. Guess who pays thousands of dollars more in interest? The person with bad credit. That's money thrown away. And that's why credit does really matter. So the next time you see someone online saying credit doesn't matter, remember this. Good credit is not about being trapped. It's about freedom, leverage, and choice. Don't let outside voices convince you to sabotage your financial future. If you need help repairing your credit, visit thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com and grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, or if you have debt collectors trying to sue you for debt that they have purchased, go to summonsmaster.com. where you can get a fully formatted response to every allegation in your summons and a defense to potentially win your case. If you have debt collectors just sending you letters, you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload that debt collection letter, and get an exclusive certified debt validation letter that will put them back on their heels and stop the process, allowing you time to breathe. Or you can grab my 3-pack of letters absolutely free. I do ask for a donation. The links are below this video. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of the CreditRepairShop.com and SummonsMaster.com. Thank you.